A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pavan Kumar. Today I will discuss some topics related to conics, which is parabola. So from starting I will introduce parabola and their types. In today's lecture I will discuss. So parabola. Parabola. Parabola is the locus of points. Means parabola is the locus of point which moves in plane so that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point to a fixed straight line is always a constant. It's always a constant, and constant is E, that is we can say unity. Now see, this is the type of parabola. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is the directrix, directrix that is parallel to the y-axis, and this is the focus S, whose coordinate is a comma 0. This coordinate is minus a comma 0. X is equal to minus a, and its distance, this is perpendicular distance P x comma y. This is focus, and now this is point M. Means according to definition, what we can say, since Ps upon Pm is equal to 1, that is P, and in case Ps distance will be equal to Pm distance, so Ps is equal to Pm. Now Ps is equal to Pm, this is the condition for conics are said to be parabola. This is the condition. Now you can see. And this is the focus, this is the directrix, this is the chord of parabola, this is double ordinate of parabola, double ordinate, and this length is latus rectum, latus rectum of parabola. Now you can see now I will come to the types of parabola. Types of parabola, and this is the tangent. Also, there are so many points. This is the tangent. Tangent. Now I will come to the types of parabola. See. So types of parabola. Types of parabola. In types of parabola, first of all, I will come to the right hand parabola. Right hand parabola. So see, in a right hand parabola, suppose I am drawing the figure. This is the directrix, this is the tangent, this is the focus, ZZ dash, this is y axis, this is x axis, now this distance, this is the perpendicular distance, that is m, this is p, x comma y, and we have to join this coordinate is a comma 0. So from figure, equation, first part is equation is y square is equal to 4ax. Second, focus is a comma 0, this is s. Now center vertex coordinate, that is O 0, 0. This is the vertex. This is O coordinate 0, 0. Now next point is directrix. Now directrix equation, what we can write? Directrix equation is x is equal to minus a, and intersection point is, this is intersection point, suppose this is T or D, this is D, and D coordinate will be minus a comma 0. So D coordinate will be minus a comma 0. And next, tangent, this is equation of directrix. This is equation of directrix. Suppose equation of directrix, this is x is equal to minus a, you can write. X is equal to minus a. Now equation of tangent, what we can write? Equation of tangent is x is equal to 0. Equation of x is equation of x is that is y is equal to 0. Now equation of axis, equation of directrix, equation of tangent, and length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum. This result is 4a. Length of latus rectum is 4a. Now this is the complete explanation of right hand parabola. Now I will come to the next explanation, left hand parabola. So this one I am writing here. This is second part, left hand parabola. Left hand parabola. So in case of left hand parabola, which type of figure you will get? So this is the left hand parabola. Now you can see this is x negative axis, this is s minus a comma 0, this is the point 0 comma 0, and this is the point D, that is a comma 0, this is y axis, this is directrix zz dash. Its equation is x is equal to a, its equation is x is equal to 0, its equation is y is equal to 0. So this parabola is open in the negative direction of x-axis. So this equation will be minus time 4ax, this coordinate will be minus a comma 0, this coordinate will be 0 comma 0. Equation of directrix will be x is equal to a, equation of tangent will be equal to also x is equal to 0, equation of axis will be equal to y is equal to 0, and now length of latus rectum will be 4a. This is the same for left hand parabola. So this parabola is open in the negative direction of x-axis. Now see, now I will come to the next type, upward parabola. Next type is upward parabola. This is third. Now see, upward parabola. In upward parabola, you can see this is y axis, this is x axis, this is the tangent also, and this is the directrix. This is z dash and this is d. This is 0 having coordinate 0 comma 0, this focus is 0 comma a, and this coordinate is 0 comma minus a. So this equation is its equation is x is equal to 0, its equation is y is equal to 0, and this is the locus, you know, and when you will join this, this is PM and this is P having coordinates x comma y. So this equation will be x square is equal to 4ay, and focus coordinate will be 0 comma a, vertices will be same, and equation of directrix will be y is equal to, this is the line, y is equal to minus a, this is the line, y is equal to minus a, and this line will be equal to y is equal to, means tangent will be equal to, equation of tangent, equation of tangent will be this, here you will get y is equal to 0. Now equation of axis, that will be x is equal to 0, and length of latus rectum will be same. So see, now I will come to the next, fourth type. The fourth type of parabola is downwards parabola. Downwards parabola. So see, downwards parabola. In downwards parabola, this is the equation of downwards parabola, figure of downwards parabola also. This is the line ZZ dash, this t coordinates will be 0 comma a, this s coordinate will be 0 comma minus a, and this o coordinate will be 0 comma 0. This is the line y is equal to a, this is the line x is equal to or y is equal to 0, this is the line x is equal to 0 because this is y axis, this is x axis, so here you will get a y is equal to 0, and so many points are there. Suppose when you will draw perpendicular from P having coordinates x comma y, that is PM, and this is S, so PS and PM will be equal according to the definition of parabola. So this equation will be x square is equal to minus time 4ay. This focus coordinate will be minus a comma 0, 0 comma minus a, and this result will be also 0 0. Equation of directrix, what we can write? Equation of directrix we can write y is equal to a. Equation of tangent will be same, y is equal to 0, and equation of axis, x is equal to 0, you know, equation of axis is x is equal to 0, and the length of latus rectum is 4a. So this is the downwards parabola. This is the downwards parabola. Downwards parabola. Now see. Now this 4 point is totally completed. Now you can see. This is x negative axis, y negative axis, y negative axis, and this is x negative axis, and its equation is y is equal to 0. This is the directrix, you know, directrix. Now see, and this is axis of downwards parabola, axis of downwards parabola. And you know, this is the length of latus rectum, means latus rectum is always passes through the focus. So latus rectum length for a. Now see, This is the latus rectum and its length is 4a. 4a. Now see,